Hello everyone, I welcome you on Salt Academy. Dear students, I have something very important thing to discuss with you. Competitive exams are very difficult to crack. Why? Because there is a huge number of population preparing for a very small number of vacancies or seats available. So you guys need to have a proper approach or a correct strategy to prepare. The correct strategy should be in a 2 or 3 phase. First thing, that you need to have a correct timetable with a proper interval or gaps in between at every 2 or 3 hours. Every timetable should have at least 6 hours of extensive study and at the daily basis, and then the revision is there. The thorough completion of the subjects and their revision thrice or twice or thrice, and then finally the short notes that you prepare after revision is very important. When exam is approaching, that short note is very helpful for you when you see the points you have noted down, and this way you can prepare in a correct way. There are various government jobs, that is SSC, UPSC, railways, state departments, banks. There are various kinds of jobs and various generalist and technical kind of jobs, and conducted by UPSC, SSC, other government bodies. So if you are focused and preparing, then this is the correct way, this is the correct time, the right time. Why? Because everybody is freezed in their home due to the lockdown, and maybe this period may extend, and then you have at least 2 to 3 months to prepare. And if you are trying to focus for later exams, like you have 6 or 7 months or 8 months, that is the very beautiful time for you to prepare. You have the multiple sources like books, video lectures from various platforms like YouTube, and various other things that you have at your disposal, the source of information for preparation. So reach out at every platform and find the correct knowledge for you. As far as my platform, this YouTube channel, Salt Academy, will provide you video lectures for various subjects regarding your preparations. Like general studies, you will find videos about the history, geography, polity section, reasoning, language section, and many others to come. I have posted a history section. Maybe I'll post geography or English later on. So stay connected, subscribe my channel, share all the videos with your friends, and prepare with me. And write down in comment section anything you want to suggest or any topic you want to have this video about. So please stay connected and keep studying. Thank you.